Morning, guys. Shh. It's Monday morning, and we are picking up where we left off Saturday night, and it's installing these bolts for the fuel rail. Now, I've got a question for you parts pros. Why do the bottom half of these that thread into the intake manifold have a triangle shape? I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but all of these have a triangle shape. What's that about? You guys tell me why? Anybody out there know why? Let me know down in the comments. Maybe they're one-time use. I don't know. What's that about? Never seen that before. So just like when we took it off, we're going to double the nuts up and tighten them to each other, and then use that to cinch it down. Be careful not to drop these down the intake, man. Not be a good day. Oh, hey, good paint job. Didn't even nick the paint. Nice. Alright, it's time to prep the intake manifold, get all these old gaskets out, put the new ones in, and we'll probably just put a new one in there too, since I think it comes with it. I think that's what that is. Might as well replace all that it gave us, right? Just in case. All right, new water pump is in, has arrived. We're gonna use this gasket instead that came with the overall kit because it's got that nice seal on it instead of, or well, maybe Oh yeah, instead of this guy. You know, you forget how much cleaning you gotta do. All these bolts have to be cleaned and wire brushed. Alright. There we go. There's two. Okay, so you want the little bleeder up here up top, and it is a 198 degree, and it should go that way. And I'm looking at it, and I might need to crack this to bleed it all, because this tube actually goes all the way down here, so we'd have a big, you know, air pocket. There might end up being one. It might wash out just from force, because this head comes in over here. But I also put a little bit of that number 2 on this, and not the intake manifold, because if you put it on this and let it tack up, then it's likely just to stick to this later when you pull it off, or, you know, it won't be as glued to the intake manifold as it will be to this. And that's, they say too, if you really want a permanent seal, you would do this to both surfaces and then let them tack up before mating them. Yeah, I read the tube, so what? Jeez. Okay. This way, I believe. Hopefully. Get two of them lined up before I try to... I'm dropping wrenches. Okay, I'll just let it sit like that for, I don't know, whatever the bottle says, and then I'll torque them. I'll see if I can find the torque specs, and I still gotta torque the water pump too. Okay, this is a screenshot of some blog. It says 71 to 106 inch-pounds, of course. And then the pulleys are 17 to 20 foot-pounds. I don't know why there's a range, or if that means I should take those two different steps. So, if we convert 106 divided by 12 is what? I don't know. Let's see. Let me think here. 9 times 12 is 8. So we'll just do 9 pounds. I don't like it. This is going to take forever. Patience, guys. Patience. All right, so here's what I did. I did 8 pounds on the water pump. I dare not go any tighter. They all went in really nice, but that feels like the limit. I went 10 foot-pounds on these, so I think that's gonna do it. Well, it's only 4 o'clock, but it's already starting to get, well, it doesn't look like it through the camera, but the sun's definitely going down and it's starting to get a little dimmer. Got the exhaust manifolds on both sides. So I'm actually hung up on getting the filter off. I don't have the right little filter cap wrench, so I gotta go back. So I gotta go back to the store again and go get another tool. Well, that's gonna do it for tonight, guys. We got a lot done. We got just a little bit left to do. Fill it up with oil, lay in the wiring harness, put on the whole front of the motor. We got fan, AC, alternator, airbox, but that's not much. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can see, hopefully, maybe we should be starting this thing tomorrow. We'll get the oil filter on and fill it up with some fresh oil and just crank it until we get rid of all the old bad oil. Just crank some fresh oil through. And then, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna run it or if I should just drain it after that and then put fresh oil. I don't know. But I'll figure that out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.